Hello, in front of me I've got DJI Action 5 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to connect holders to the camera. As you can see in the original box, we've got two holders. In order to attach them, simply press those two hooks and connect it right here. This place is magnetic, so you have to connect it correctly. And it's done. To disconnect it, again press here and pull. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.